really hot temperatures that are in the forecast, Marshall.
That's coming by Sunday and forward. So we're coming up on a period here where you're about to see all 7 days in the extended forecast at 90 degrees or warmer. So
Spectacular. Feel like even warmer than that.
yeah, and that's part of the reason why it's going to be really important for us to stay weather aware on the heat, because that can be a real problem. Heat is the #1 weather-related killer in the U.S. Sometimes we forget that. Right now, there are some storms off towards Chicago. Most of those are going to break up by the time they get here, but this line is ahead of a cold front that's coming our way. We'll be watching those this evening. Just keep an eye on it, and if anything does roll in, we'll let you know, but it looks like most of that should break up before it actually gets here. Look at this beautiful blue sky over downtown. It is still 88 degrees right now with a breeze out of the south at 10 miles per hour. The relative humidity is pretty low, which is part of the reason why it feels like temperature looks kind of weird, because the formula is a little, how should we say, it doesn't like it when it doesn't have the good humidity to work with. The formula gets a little weird. So it's kind of off at the moment, but we'll get it when the humidity comes back up. Newark and Coshocton at 84 degrees, 85 in McConnellsville. Your Bassett Services heating and cooling current conditions in Circleville are at 87. Bellefontaine and Kenton at 88. Overnight tonight, we're going to drop to 68 degrees. We might get a few showers or even some thunderstorms during the night tonight as this cold front moves in. So the storms that are out near Chicago are driven by this front. By 8 in the morning, it's sitting almost, just a little bit east of 71. That will continue to move to the east during the day. Could get a couple of showers behind it, but for the most part, the biggest chance for rain is going to be overnight tonight into the morning. Then this is Saturday. High pressure begins to build into the region. That's going to be great news for all of those outdoor events coming up this weekend, and it is a full slate of those. Tomorrow is Flag Day, and as you're honoring the flag, the temperatures will climb into the 80s. It will be partly cloudy. There will be a chance for an isolated shower during the day. As we mentioned, the Creekside Blues Jazz Fest kicks off tomorrow, runs through Sunday. The temperatures by Sunday climbing up into the lower 90s. So make sure you stay hydrated while you're at the festival. The air show is also this weekend. Temperatures will be in the 80s tomorrow. There's that chance at an isolated storm. Looking fantastic on Saturday. 92 on Sunday with a mix of sun and clouds. And then the heat really starts to kick in on Monday and Tuesday. 96 to 95, that's going to feel more like 100, potentially even warmer than that, because that's when the humidity also really starts to kick in. So feeling very muggy for the middle of next week, and that heat and humidity doesn't really let up at night because we're still going to have overnight lows in the 70s. That's part of the reason why it also becomes an issue. You don't have a chance to cool off at night. So 84 for the day tomorrow, isolated showers and thunderstorms, otherwise partly cloudy. On Saturday, 83, mostly sunny, beautiful, just a gorgeous day, perfect for all of those outdoor events. Sunday is Father's Day, the high near 92 degrees. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we're going to put a chance for some pop-up storms on each day. It's warm, it's humid, you could get a few of those to bubble up. They'll be isolated. It's not an all-day rain, it's just a little bit here and there. 96, feeling like 105. Tuesday, 95. Wednesday, Juneteenth, also 95 degrees, and 96 on Thursday.